Getting ready every day and not having enough space is a problem. So I got something today. This is the sink topper. It was sent to me to try out to try and give me more space when I'm getting ready. All right, so check out how much space it's already given me. So I can use my hair curler and put it on here. This is actually heat resistant, so you'll just place it on any of these. You want to make sure this actually is on the edge so that it gives you a lot of space. So you don't, if you bring this up, then you're not going to have as much space. But if you bring it to the edge, then you have space. This can hold up to 7 pounds. This is actually textured right here. So it just gave me extra space to do makeup, and then place all these here if I need to, and then base. So it just gives me so much more space. The other cool thing is that I can actually wash my brush and use this as a textured place for me to be able to clean my brush, and then I can use it to dry my brush on it. When you're done, you can just wipe this up, and you can wash it ultimately and then dry it up. And it actually hangs up as a storage. It doesn't take up any space, so it holds flat. And so you can just place it under your sink. So you can place this under your sink and just fold it flat. Or if you want to hang it up, you actually have a place to hang it up. You'll just want to make sure that this side faces the wall so that it's not opening up on you. So when you hang it up, make sure it's facing the wall for it to hang up. So this is actually heat resistant, like I said. I just want to let you know that it's up to 480 degrees. So definitely can put your hair straightener on there, your hair curler, and even if you're steaming your clothes and you need a place to put this on, put a place to put it down on, you can put there as long as it's not higher than 480 degrees. And I just love the fact that it gave me so much more space. I don't have to keep moving things around, and I can just focus on getting ready, making my morning routine to get to work a lot quicker. And then doesn't take up any space. You can just hang it up on the hook or put it under your sink. Also love the fact that it doubles as something that my brushes can be cleaned on and can be dried on, easy to clean. Then I just realized that I can just take this with me on the go because I'll just put it in my luggage if I need to. And it doesn't take up a lot of space because it's pretty flat. So if you're looking for more space on your sink while you're getting ready, you should definitely check this one out.